With the combination of cheap drone surveillance and FPV drones being able to target moving objects has given Ukraine a capability to destroy thousands of Russian equipment that otherwise would have gotten away. Seen with a self-propelled artillery driving away from its position, with the drone just arriving, making a quick turnaround to strike the artillery from behind. Making the system with the thin armor to explode immediately, destroying another of Russia's artillery, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.